Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about solving simultaneous equations. So simultaneous equations are the ones with different unknowns. So here we have two unknowns x and y and we are supposed to find their values. So let's use what we call elimination method. In elimination method, we are going to eliminate one of the unknowns. And to do that, we are going to put coefficients before these equations. So this is my equation 1, this is my equation 2. So in order to eliminate this y, I'm going to put here this coefficient, which is on the second equation. So here I'm going to put -2. And then here I'm going to put the coefficient that is on this y, which is 1. So equation 1 times -2 minus equation 2 times y. That's what I'm going to use for eliminate. Because these will have the same values when I multiply these coefficients. So when I subtract the equations, I'll have y as 0. By that, I'll remain with one unknown, which I am so. So when I multiply through this, it will be negative 10x minus negative 2 times this will be negative y is equal to. When this will give me equation 3. Then this times 1 will be 8x minus 2y is equal to 2. When you subtract these two equations, negative 10x minus 8x will be negative 18x. Negative 2 minus negative 2y will be 0 plus 0 will be equal to 17 minus 2. 17 minus 2 will be. No, remember that this negative 2 had to multiply this 2, this 17. So negative 2 times 17 had to give us negative 34. So negative 34 minus 2 will be negative 32. No, negative 36. Sorry. Negative 34 minus 2 will be negative 36. So negative 18x is equal to negative 36. Divide by negative 18, divide by negative 18. You find out that x will give us the value of 2. So after finding out this is equation 3, we say let's subtract this minus this to get equation 3. So now after getting the value of x, I'm going to substitute it in one of the equations in order to get the value of y. Let me use the second equation. It seems easier. Is equal to 2. So 8x minus 2y is equal to 2. X is already. So we are going to put there the value of x minus 2y. So negative 2y will be equal to 2 minus 16. So negative 2y will be equal to negative 14. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. You find out that y will be equal to positive 7. So in conclusion, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. So now let's use another method which is called substitution method. In substitution method, we are going to substitute the value of one when we want one unknown in the other equation. So we have 5x plus y is equal to 17. 8x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. So let's make y the subject in equation 1. From equation 1, 5x plus y is equal to 17. So when you take this side, it will become 17 minus 5x. That is equation 3. Y is equal to 17 minus x is minus 5x is equation 3. So now we are going to substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Substituting equation 3, equation 2. So we are going to get 8x minus 2y is equal to 2. So where there is y, I put 17. 2 into 17 minus 5x is equal to 3. So 8x minus 34 plus 10x is equal to 2. So this plus this will be 18x minus 34 is equal to 2. When you take this side to be 18x is equal to 2 minus 30 is equal to 2 minus 34. So that will be 18x, no, 2 plus 34 because it has crossed the equal line. So 2 plus 34 will be 36. Divide by 18, divide by 18. X will be equals to 2. So after getting the value of x, we can now substitute it in one of the equations. Let's use equation 1. So 5 into value of x is 2 plus y is equal to 17. 10 plus y is equal to 17. Y is equal to, when you take it this side, it becomes 17 minus 10. Y will be equals to 7. So just as here, x is 2, y is 7. Like, share, and subscribe.